Hello children, let us continue our lesson, Good Citizen. So, today we are going to learn about the good values. So, what is good values? Good values are the qualities of a person that keep the society running. Okay, these qualities can be developed by all. The term civic relates to people or civilian or citizen of a country. People should live together in unity. Despite all the disparities, living together in harmony is a significant value. So, helping others is also an important value. What does it mean? It means good values are the qualities of a person. So good characters is the quality of a particular person. From these qualities we can able to develop our society in a particular manner. Okay, so from our qualities, from our good qualities, we can develop our society in a beautiful manner. Okay, from the good qualities only our society is running. For example, we can help each other, we can solve others problem, etc. These qualities can be developed by all through how? Through education. Okay, what is the meaning of civic? Civic means the person who live in a particular country, the citizen of a country. Disparity means differences. Despite all the differences, for examples, different cultures, different languages, even though they are living in a particular society together in unity is more important. So what is our qualities here? Our qualities shows this is the good values. Because of differences, so many differences, we are living together in a harmony, in a unity, isn't it? So this is our best qualities. This is known as good values. Okay, so helping each other also a example of good values. There should be no disparity among people and all are one. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of the nation. So moral and good values have to be inculcated in children so that they may become valuable citizens. So what does it mean? You know children, in our country there are different types of people following different types of cultures and live in different lifestyle. Despite of no differences among people, all are equal. So all are one. So this is the example of good qualities. For build up a good nation, we should teach moral and good values to our children. Inculcated means what? Inculcated means to teach. To whom we should teach? To teach our children, because today they are children, for tomorrow's they are citizen of our nation. So we should teach good values to our children, isn't it? Understood? I hope you would have understood, so that they may become valuable citizen. Okay? Now, different types of good values: personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values that we will study in detail in the next upcoming videos. Children, look at this famous quote said by our social reformer Swami Vivekananda. World survives on morality. Morality means correctness. If somebody is doing wrong, we should correct them. We should teach them. In this way, we can correct ourselves. So, in this manner, we can go in the right path. we can go in the right way, and we can build up a good nation in the right way. So the world is running on truth. The world is survives on truth. Next, selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral. We should not selfish in any way, and we can help each other. I hope you would have understood good values very well, and you can do these activities by yourself, and we will meet in the next video. Try to remember all this important point for your future.